before I come. I won't just pop over out the blue. I hope that you do too. I'll call before I come. I won't just pop over out the blue. No, after you. Oh, thank you, Lord, for throwing some style bones in my body. Let me tell you why. If not so, I be too bad when it comes to pink polka dots and class. Glad to meet you. My name is Dre, but you can call me Possum Alley with your shaking Andre 3000 for shout. And no, I don't wanna see your thumbs. I kinda dig them old school cute regular drums.